Philippine a secret history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, loving queen from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. Ramdano, Pagtanes, Zapare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Patanabra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we had the islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, bring down to Visayan shore, famous surface, sugar, coconut, and corn. Ay, Cebu, Mactan, Mandaue, ay, Bulsa, Marlete, ay, Iloilo, Capizac, Tananteke, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Sigihor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Pambacabutuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Cagayan, Osamis, and the three provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulong, Tawi-Tawi. Ay, Philippines a great history. Ay, Manila is the capital city. Ay,